This segment will provide some safety, operation, and maintenance tips for your new AgriFab zero-turn sprayer. Read the owner's manual carefully for operating and service instructions before attempting to assemble or operate this equipment. Be thoroughly familiar with the proper use of this equipment. Make sure to read and understand the vehicle manual and the owner's manual before using the sprayer. Never allow children to operate this sprayer. Always instruct other users before they operate the unit. Do not allow anyone to ride or sit on the sprayer. Keep the area clear of all persons, especially children and pets. Read the chemical label before handling or mixing chemicals. Wear eye and hand protection and other protective clothing when handling and applying lawn chemicals. Do not spray on windy days. Always begin with the transmission in first, low gear, and engine at low speed, and gradually increase speed as conditions permit. The vehicle braking and stability may be affected with the attachment of this equipment. Be aware of changing conditions on slopes. Refer to the safety rules in the vehicle's owner's manual concerning safe operation on slopes. Stay off of steep slopes. Always operate up and down a slope, never across the face of a slope. Operate at reduced speed on rough terrain, along ditches, and on hillsides to prevent loss of control. Do not tow this equipment on a highway or any other public thoroughfare. Follow the maintenance instructions as outlined in this owner's manual. The pump pressure switch turns off the pump when it reaches the maximum pressure setting. Very low flow demand may cause the switch to rapidly cycle the pump on and off. Rapid on and off cycling must be limited to no more than 6 times per minute. Cycling could cause the motor to heat beyond the recommended maximum temperature. The inline boom on-off valve controls flow to the boom nozzles. The recirculation valve controls the ratio of spray wand pressure and recirculation to the tank. Twisting the nozzle will adjust the spray pattern from a cone-shaped mist to a solid stream. Determine the application rate based on the chemical manufacturer's recommendations. Estimate the size of the area and amount of solution that will be needed to avoid unneeded solution left in the tank. Refer to the application chart to determine the speed required to achieve the manufacturer's recommended application rate. Ensure the spray tips are aligned as shown. Adjust as necessary. Each spray tip pattern should spread out to the right and left sides, rather than to the front and back of the boom. Test the spray pattern with water on a driveway or sidewalk. There should be some spray overlap between each tip and the spray patterns should be consistent. Add the chemical solution to the tank following the manufacturer's recommendations. To use the spray wand, ensure the boom valve is in the off position. The sprayer is equipped with a recirculation valve to aid in material agitation and pressure control. The valve is in the open position when in line with the hose and closed when perpendicular. Adjusting the valve will only affect the pressure coming through the spray wand. The closed position provides full pressure through the spray wand or boom and should be in the closed position when operating the boom. You can adjust the pressure when spraying with the spray wand to avoid damage to plants from excessive pressure. After each use, fill the sprayer partway with water and pump the water out through the boom assembly and spray wand. Use the spray wand to wash out the inside of the tank. Refill the tank about half full of water and a chemical neutralizer solution and repeat the cleaning instructions. Follow the manufacturer's instructions for disposal of all chemicals. Periodically, clean the tank strainer on the end of the intake hose. Pull out the screen and flush it with water. Remove the boom nozzles, pull out the screen, and flush it with water. For winter storage, drain all the water out of the sprayer, especially the pump and handgun. These items are prone to damage from freezing temperatures. Winterize the sprayer by pumping a 50-50 solution of water and RV antifreeze through the boom assembly and the spray wand. Congratulations! Your new AgriFab zero-turn sprayer is now ready to use. For additional help or replacement parts, contact AgriFab directly at 1-800-448-9282 or visit www.agri-fab.com. AgriFab. Lawn care made easy.